Hi, I'm Dr. Chisenhall, and I'm going to be your instructor for ECE 233, Introduction to Exceptional Learners. First of all, I wanted to say welcome and that I am looking forward to working and learning with you this semester. I wanted to start by providing you with an overview video just to help you be a little bit more comfortable with our course and the layout. Uh, as I'm sure you know, you want to start by logging into MyDTCC and then clicking on Courses. Once you've clicked on Courses, this page will load that has all of the courses that you're registered for. Our course is ECE 233, Introduction to Exceptional Learners, and you'll see a photo there of some children's artwork. When you click on that, it will bring you to the announcements. So you see an announcement welcoming you to class. This is an online class. There will be some optional Zoom sessions that I will provide for you throughout the semester, but our class will not meet on campus at all. You'll see a navigation bar at the top here. Content is the link that you will utilize the most, so I will save that for last, save the best for last. Over here under activities, you'll see a drop down menu that will allow you to quickly find discussions, quizzes, assignments, etc. For this class, you'll use assignments, discussions, and quizzes. We won't be using checklist or the other items in the bottom here. If you click on Tools, you'll be able to quickly find the announcements. Class Lists allows you to see who your classmates are and email them. Discussions. We will not be using the other tabs under here. When you click on Grade, you'll be able to quickly click on Grades and see your progress. I will post a numeric grade and feedback for your assignments. If the assignment has a rubric, which most of the written and larger assignments do, I will be posting the rubric as well. So if you click on D2L, that will take you to the external D2L site that has some tech helps for using the D2L learning management system. Okay. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to click on content. When you click on content, the first tab here is an overview. Welcome to ECE 233, Introduction to Exceptional Learners. This course provides an overview of the diverse aspects of exceptionality, including the psychological, medical, and sociological implications, with a major emphasis on appropriate educational practices. Students will examine legal and ethical issues of children with exceptionality. Now, I know that is a handful to say and also to read, or a mouthful, I should say, but this is going to be a fun class that you're going to enjoy. It's going to be very informative, and it's going to help prepare you to work with all children, especially children that have needs that are a little different from what is considered the norm. This is an online course, and I recommend to get started, you click on week 0, which is right here. Okay, so that's actually where I'm going to head to next. And scrolling down here, the next thing to click on would be week 0, getting started. Here's my communication plan. Every week I will send you a detailed announcement on Monday mornings that has the expectations for the week. My goal is to create a video for you each week, very much like this one, that will walk you through the week's materials and assignments, and also provide additional explanation for the assignments as we go through. I'll also send you a midweek announcement that has reminders for the week. I may or may not contribute to the discussion boards each week. I will be reading them all each week and going through them. If you're doing a great job maintaining the conversation, I'm probably just going to allow you to discuss. But if there's something that I feel that I can add to the conversation, or maybe shift the conversation into a different topic or a different elaboration, then I will add to that. I will provide feedback for all assignments and discussion boards within 7 days of the due date. So you'll see a numeric grade as well as written feedback from me in Grade Center or in grades. If there's any changes to our course schedule, I will notify you and let you know that. And I would recommend logging in at least 3 times a week to check your email into our course and discussion boards. More than that would be better, but try to log in at least 3 times. As far as course expectations, my goal is to always respond to you within 24 hours. Normally it will be faster than that, but please allow at least 24 hours. My preferred communication is email, which is right here. There is a textbook for this course, which is Exceptional Children, An Introduction to Special Education by William Heward, and I have included the ISBN for our textbook here. As per our education department, no late work is accepted, but I definitely want you to be successful in this course. So please contact me if you anticipate missing an assessment deadline, or if you already know you're going to have an issue because of a certain reason, please let me know. I think the key to being successful is communication. So let's keep our communication open and going, and let's make this a successful semester. As I said, I try to have all feedback and grades to you within 7 days. It's important that since we do not meet on a particular day, since this is an online class, it's important that we participate in the discussions and that we are giving our peers feedback. I have the evaluation measures posted for this class as well as the assignments. We'll go over that in just a second. Every week there is a discussion board post. Please make sure your post is posted by 11:59 p.m. on Wednesday, and you've replied to at least 2 classmates by 11:59 on Sunday. Again, the assignments for this course will be posted in the appropriate location on D2L, and I'll go over with that with you step by step every week. Okay, so if we scroll back up, well, I'm sorry, I'm going to scroll back down for a second. Under that information I just shared, there's external links to different resources that the college has. That these are here for you to explore and use as you need them. There's also our education department policies down here on the bottom, etc. So I'm going to scroll back up now, and then as these are just the different topics we just talked about under getting started, I'm going to keep going here to syllabus. So under syllabus, here you have the link that takes you to the syllabus for our course. It's a 3-credit class. We already read the description of the course when I went through the overview. Here you see the core course performance objectives as well as the measurable performance objectives. So all of the assignments that we will complete this semester all come from demonstrating to us your understanding and your ability to apply these objectives. Okay. You'll also see the college grading criteria and a breakdown of the assignments. So I'm going to click off of that and go back over here to our table of contents. So underneath the syllabus, we have the course schedule. I have it copied in here for you to be able to look at it quickly with the breakdown of the dates, the topics we're covering that week, and the assignments that are due. But if you will scroll down, you see that I also have it here as a Word document so that you can download it. And my advice would be to print this document off. Whether I'm teaching an online class or I'm taking an online class as a student, the course schedule is usually the one and only thing that I physically print out. I like to be able to see the semester at a glance, see what's due that week, what's coming up, what I've already done. And if you're like me, I really enjoy being able to highlight and cross off what I've done and see my progress as I'm going through the semester. So of course that's not mandatory, but if I were you, I would recommend printing off this one document. But it's here for you as well. You'll see that at 6 different times throughout the semester, I've included Zoom meetings. These are not mandatory, but these are optional in order for us to discuss as a class and also for me to provide assistance with assignments. I will record these and post these on D2L, so if you cannot join us live, you can watch the recording. Next, we have instructor information. Here you see again my email address. I am working remotely until January, so I will not be in my office. Here's my cell phone number if you have an emergency and need to get a hold of me. Might be good to text me, and then that way I know you are one of my students and you're not just one of the telemarketers or those spam calls that we get so much, and then I will be able to call you right back. The best way to get a hold of me though is just email me. I have student hours posted here, but I'm pretty much available at any time. Just let me know and we can schedule a time that works best for you. Under instructor information is assignment overview. Again, here's the breakdown of the assignments and expectations you'll be completing this semester. Underneath of that chart, you'll see that I've created a module or a grouping for all of the assignments you're going to be completing this semester. Within that module, you'll see a description of the assignment, a sample I've included for a lot of the assignments, and then where you will actually submit the assignment. So when it gets closer to these due dates, I will be going through each of these. This week, the first week, you have a discussion forum due. So here's a little bit more information about my expectations for the discussion forum and then the rubric. You may have heard that a lot of our education classes require observation assignments as a result of COVID and the fact that we cannot go into classrooms to observe live this semester. What I'm going to do is post videos on designated week and reflection questions. So you'll watch the videos and then you'll reflect on the questions. We are not physically going into real classrooms to observe this semester. So if I scroll back up, underneath of all the assignments, you'll see the weeks. So right now I just have week 1 available to you. I will be building this class as we go through, so I'll try to always have the current week and the next week available to you. So as we go through the semester, you'll see week 2, week 3, week 4 begin to appear down here. So at the start of the first week of the semester, I will make another video and I will go over this in detail with you regarding your reading materials and your assignments and your expectations for the week. Okay, so this has just been an overview of our course. Please do not hesitate to reach me or contact me if you have any questions. I look forward to working with you and getting to know you a little better. Goodbye for now.